Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today we're going to be doing a video about NIO stock. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our investor journey together. So today we're going to be doing a video about NIO and why you guys should be picking up NIO stock right now at $47.06 and why NIO stock is actually ready to explode going into 2021 and throughout the year of 2021 as well. Obviously, everything I say in my videos, guys, is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinion. But guys, take the advantage and buy NIO stock at $47 because it is actually worth the investment. Guys, this stock is going to be growing absolutely tremendously in the year of 2021. Looking at the 5-year chart, guys, this thing IPO'd September 12th of 2018. Currently up 683%. Looking at the 1-year chart, guys, this thing is currently up 1,723%. I've said this time and time again. I do think NIO is the biggest growth stock of 2020. The fact that this thing was trading at $4 a share all the way up to $47 a share, now currently evaluated bigger than General Motors. NIO has seen some growth, and in the midst of a pandemic, guys, companies were not doing well. A lot of companies filed for bankruptcy. But you have NIO, who basically grew into an empire. Looking at the 3-month chart, guys, up 138%. And the 1-month chart, it's down 1%. But guys, take the advantage. Pick up NIO stock at $47.09. Guys, this thing is going to be absolutely humongous in the year of 2021. If you guys don't know what NIO stock actually does, or NIO as a company, NIO produces luxury EV cars, pretty similar to what Tesla, guys, but this one just happens to be based out of China. And as you guys have seen time and time again, NIO's been surrounded by a lot of good news lately that's basically going to solidify its growth in the year of 2021. You guys have to take the advantage and actually buy the dip on NIO stock right now, $47. Guys, it's super, super cheap for the long-term potential of this company. Within recent news, guys, we did get a big analyst upgrade from Goldman Sachs from $7 all the way up to $56, a 666% analyst upgrade. I mean, that's just absolutely huge to move a big-time investor like Goldman Sachs, who was originally a bear on the stock, to basically move it from a $7 sell rating all the way up to a $56 buy rating, guys. It just goes to show that they do see the long-term potential of NIO as a company. But that's not it, guys. Analysts have been upgrading the stock for a little bit now. We did get some recent analyst upgrades earlier in the year from JP Morgan, who tripled their analyst upgrade from $14 to $40. Deutsche Bank also raised their analyst upgrade, as long as Bank of America as well. But guys, that's not it. NIO is starting to get noticed, right? NIO is now grabbing the attention of all these big-time investors and even small-time investors as well. Like I said, NIO, we've seen their delivery estimates, guys. They're consistently beating their delivery estimates. It goes to show, that NIO's cars are in demand and people love NIO's cars, guys. On top of all that, we did get a look of their earnings last month in November. And yes, it was not a profitable quarter for them. But guys, you have to take a look at the bigger picture. Their revenues are growing while their losses are starting to shrink. The company's already expecting $960 million in revenue by the next quarter. It goes to show, that NIO is growing. And studies even show that 20% of all car sales in China are going to be electric vehicles by the year 2025. And they expect that number to jump up to 50% by 2035. Guys, you have to take in consideration the EV market is starting to evolve, and there's just simply more demand. The EV market is also starting to mature. Taking a look at the vast majority of how many companies this year IPO'd that were all EV companies, guys, there's a good handful of them. Why? Because people know that there's money to be made in this industry. People know that it's going to be a rising industry, and there's just so much you can do with battery power. You can be so innovative, and there's so many things that NIO stock is doing to make sure it stays innovative and ahead of the game. But guys, people see the long-term growth. And the reason why I'm telling people to pick up NIO now, guys, is because this company is going to be growing for a very long time. And I do see NIO being a dominant player in the whole EV game. Even in China, I really hope that NIO does come up on top. As you guys have seen, Tesla is started to make their debut in China, right? Tesla, being a more established brand, is definitely going to bring some competition to NIO. But NIO answering back, NIO trying to stay on top of his game, dropping 2 new sedans, guys, an SUV and a minivan. That's just absolutely amazing. The fact that they're expanding their vehicle line altogether. I mean, come on, guys. Like, Tesla doesn't even have an electric minivan. Like, that's just absolutely insane that NIO is being innovative. They're looking out for all types of customers. But guys, we've also even got some better news coming up. NIO Day is coming up January 9th. I'm super, super excited for NIO Day because this is basically going to show us the vision of NIO, where NIO is going to be headed in the next couple of years, and basically what's in store for NIO as a company in itself. Within recent news as well, we did get a public stock offering, 68 million shares, where NIO was able to raise $2.5 billion. Some people saw this as bad news, and I can understand where people are coming from. Generally, when people do stock offerings, it does devalue the stock a little bit. But guys, you have to understand that this is part of the process. Companies have to raise capital so they can ramp up production, so they can start to expand quicker and faster. With NIO already having plans to expand to Europe in the middle of 2021, you guys have seen it itself. XPeng as well has already started selling cars in Norway, which is absolutely huge because it shows that the Chinese market of the whole EV industry is starting to expand outward. Pretty similar to the United States, guys. You know, you've seen Tesla starting to expand all over the world. Guys, NIO and XPeng and all these Chinese EV companies are trying to do the same thing. They're trying to be the dominant brand players on that side of the world. And guys, NIO is going to put up a very good stiff competition. The fact, like I said, that this thing is already shipping cars overseas, they're already planning on selling, I believe, 100,000 cars next year. And you've even seen from their 2019 to their 2020 results that they basically doubled how many cars they sold from the year of 2019 all the way to the year of 2020. Guys, NIO's experiencing a huge amount of growth, but guys, here's the thing. It's not done growing just yet. NIO has just started to reach the pinnacle of its growth, and I do expect big things from NIO in 2021. As you guys seen, they did recently sign a deal with a battery charge station to set up 100 of them around China. Basically, what this does is customers can go by, swap out the battery. It not only makes it more cost efficient to the customers, but guys, it puts NIO on the radar that they're really trying to use technology as innovation and as motivation to really get their brand out there. Guys, they're in the works of developing a bigger and better battery, 100 kilowatt battery, and they're also working on a self-driving chip to be able to roll out the robo-taxi delivery service in China. Guys, this $47 price tag we're seeing here is super undervalued for a company that has such a big vision, guys. NIO is going to hit $100 in 2021. I can almost guarantee it, guys. This stock is not done growing. This stock still has a lot of potential to do great things. Like I said, NIO, founded in 2016, has already come a long way. Comparing it to where Tesla was back when it was first founded back in 2003, went public in 2010. A lot of people did not jump at Tesla like they did NIO because, like I said, guys, you know, simply there's just more demand for the EV market itself. There's just simply more demand for EV companies in general, guys, because people are seeing the long-term benefit and people are really seeing the amount of money and growth that can come from these companies, guys. And NIO is going to be a dominant player in the EV game, guys. NIO is going to be a top EV company, potentially the next Tesla, guys. And I could see NIO potentially being the next Tesla as the dominant top EV company in China. Analysts come out saying that NIO is going to be an iconic brand. They're going to be a top EV company. Guys, there's a lot of people who are backing up NIO, and now is a good time to pick up NIO stock. Guys, NIO stock is going to explode in 2021. I can almost guarantee that NIO stock is going to hit $100 in 2021. That's my overall price target of NIO. I think NIO is going to hit $100 by 2020. And guys, that's just a short-term vision, but think about where the company could be in 5 or even 10 years if it continues this pace of growth. It could be the next Tesla. We could see NIO at $2,000 a share. No one really knows. I don't even know. But guys, I'm going just off base of what I'm seeing here, that NIO has a lot of stuff going for it, guys. It's continuing the growth as much as possible, and it's really putting itself on the map, guys. Pick up NIO stock, $47.31, guys. It is worth the investment. With that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Let me know down in the comment section below, guys, what you think of NIO stock. Do you think NIO stock is worth a buy, $47.35? If you guys own NIO stock, how many shares do you guys own? What's your average? I'm always curious to know. With that being said, guys, thank you. Have a great day.